Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are doing episode 3 of teaching my husband how to bake. This is my husband, Ronan.
Hey everyone.
You all have loved this series and we've loved making it. And today is extra special because we are making Ronan's birthday cake.
Yes.
Yes. Ronan, what kind of cake are we making today for your birthday?
Today we are making a Swiss roll cake.
That's right. It's also called a bûche de Noël. All right, should we dive in?
Let's do it.
Awesome.
Okay.
The first thing we're gonna do is our favorite thing. We're gonna separate some eggs.
All right.
We've been practicing these skills and I feel like you've gotten really good at them.
Thank you. We're doing egg whites in this one.
Okay, good. I like the staked claim. That's why I paused. I was like, oh no. Awesome, great job. And we're doing 4 eggs. We'll need both parts of the eggs, but at different times. Here we want to be super careful not to have any of the yolk in the egg whites, or else the meringue or whipping of the egg whites that we're going to be creating won't whip up. So if you're finding that your meringue or your egg whites aren't whipping, it could be because some fat is present in your bowl or in the egg whites themselves. You're doing so good. That was
close.
That was close. I don't want to jinx it, but like you've been doing really good. No pressure.
It's,
oh my gosh.
Okay, there's a crack going down the whole egg, but it won't split.
Yeah. Great job, great job. To also aid with our whipping of our egg whites, we've wiped down our mixer and whisk and our bowls with a little bit of white vinegar. This removes any fat or oil that might be remaining on there. Are you okay?
Yeah, I dropped a shell in there.
Okay, don't panic.
Okay.
When we have shells in our egg whites, there's an easy fix.
Okay.
A lot of people try to go in with their finger, but the egg whites will polarize it, making it very difficult to get.
Okay.
So what you want to do is take part of your egg shell and pick it up that way.
Oh.
Because the egg shell itself will attract to the egg shell.
Because the egg knows the egg.
Real recognizes real.
Yeah, like 2 alphas meeting in the wild. It's like Vin Diesel and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Dude, we've been watching the Fast and the Furious movies, and that makes so much sense.
Yeah, 2 alphas.
2 alphas.
Family.
Respect. Family.
Yeah.
And in their contracts, they can't lose.
Yeah, neither one of them can lose.
No. And then we're gonna bring this over to our stand mixer, whip it on medium while we gradually add in the sugar.
Great.
Until it is nice and fluffy. It's gonna be about 5 minutes.
Okay.
And we'll do a couple of things while these whip up.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Awesome, let's do it.
Okay, so
we're back.
Someone who will remain nameless accidentally told me the wrong measurements of sugar to put into the egg whites.
Yes.
So we're gonna go ahead and redo that. You want to add 1/4 cup of sugar to the egg whites and then a 1/2 cup of sugar to the egg yolks when you mix them.
My bad. Should we do it again?
Let's do it.
Take 2.
Go team.
Happy to report, egg whites went well. We've got a stiff heat, and while that's chilling out, we are going to combine our other ingredients.
Okay.
First up, egg yolks.
Great.
Very nice. Next, add the oil.
Okay. And this is a 1/4 cup of oil?
Yes. Every bit of oil.
Every bit of oil. Yeah. Okay.
And then the rest of our sugar.
Rest of our sugar.
The egg whites will be our main leavener in this cake and make it so light and fluffy. Also quite flexible because we're going to roll it.
Okay.
Look, beautiful.
How are we looking here? Pretty good?
Very good. Set this off to the side.
Okay.
And we are going to prepare our vanilla bean. So this is a vanilla bean. I've actually run out of vanilla. Maybe because of something. But vanilla bean is full of vanilla seeds. Both the bean and the seeds itself have a ton of flavor. So we're gonna cut this straight down the middle. Perfect. And then I'm gonna scrape one side and then I'm gonna have you scrape the other.
Okay.
Look how cool that is.
That looks really cool.
So I'm gonna hold one end and take my paring knife
Okay.
and just scrape out all of that goodness.
Oh, okay. Wow,
that.
that's cool. Yeah, that's really cool.
Right?
Yeah.
Super cool. And then we're just gonna add that right in there.
Okay.
And we're gonna save the pod itself because this has a ton of vanilla flavor. So we're actually gonna be using it to make extract later on.
You mean we could have been making our own extract this whole time? So from the stem.
Beautifully done.
How'd we do?
Look at that beauty.
Woo!
Woo!
Look at that beauty.
Very nice.
Oh, it sounds cool.
Yeah, so there's
So much air in there. It sounds like one of those slime channels that you see. Like when they have the container like and they're running their fingers through it.
Yes.
You can hear the air kind of squishing in it. Yeah.
So there's millions of tiny bubbles in here. There's millions of
Sorry. Okay.
Go ahead and gently fold those in.
Okay. Here, we could come up and I don't know if you can hear this.
Don't press it too much.
Oh, sorry. I was getting lost in the ASMR. Okay, I think that's it.
That's so good.
Thank you. You're such a professional. You make this all look so easy.
Oh, why, thank you. It's just practice.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sweet Kate Bake.
I love you. Now we are going to pour this in our super ooper duper prepared baking pan. Tell the people what you did to prepare.
So, to prepare said super duper prepared baking pan, I spread butter across all of the edges and the bottom of the pan, and then laid a thin sheet of parchment paper down to line the sheet with, and then put more butter on top of that, with extra care to put butter where the paper doesn't quite come up all the way on the edges, just to make sure we don't get any risk of sticking after baking.
Beautiful, exactly. With this cake, because it is essential that it doesn't break, which it may, it may not, no worries either way.
Flashback to Bakemas Day 12.
So we're gonna hope for the best, but not worry if things don't go exactly as planned.
If you can't mess up in your own kitchen, where are you gonna learn?
So true. Inspirational
Yeah,
quotes.
now you know.
Now you do.
Yeah. This is for all the marbles. All right.
You got it.
I don't know what I'm doing. Should I should pour here and then go back.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Oh my gosh.
Looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
Are you losing it? Do you want me to hold it?
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh my gosh. You got that?
I do.
Okay, because I'm really not holding it. You're like, I know.
You were great.
How'd we do?
You did really good.
We're okay?
Are you
How
okay?
would you make this better?
You're so nice. I'm just gonna get all the sides here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna scrape it off to the side.
Okay.
And pick it up so it's in one location. And then I can pour it in there.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Offset spatula.
Small.
Did you see my makeup guru camera focus there? Yeah.
I love it.
Thank you.
That was really good.
All right. Now I'm assuming we just smooth out,
Yes.
fill out everything. Ooh.
Ooh. You can use the furthest point of the spatula from you to get into the corners.
Oh, brilliant. That made it so much easier. Sorry, I was yelling because I was excited.
No, I love that. It was helpful. Okay, this corner's a little...
Oh, it's a little shallow. A little shallow.
Shalalalawo. No, cut that.
I don't think we're going to do shallow. Okay.
Looks great.
But is it level? Yeah, I'm starting to get some baking survival instincts, I like to say.
That's great.
Yeah. Are we going to get down at eye level to see how things are?
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. What do you think?
I think it looks good. Okay.
Love it. Okay, you're gonna drop it on the counter once to pop any surface bubbles.
Okay, I can see this going really poorly.
Okay.
No,
So
I'm going with it. I got
You're
this.
just picking it up and from a couple inches, dropping it.
Nothing but confidence.
Perfect. Give it one more.
Okay.
Great job.
I think the trick is to hold it level while you drop it, so that it doesn't.
That's very important. Okay, this cake is going in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Since it's such a short baking time and we have to roll it right after it comes out of the oven, we're gonna quickly clean this up. No time to just chill and prepare our towel we're gonna wrap it up in.
Great.
Ronan is flying solo. He's got this.
Got this.
Going in with confidence.
And cakes can smell fear. A wise person once said that. That was my wife. She's very wise. Oh, okay.
It's okay. Okay.
It slipped right out of there.
Good.
Ooh, got a little crumple.
It's okay.
We shall see.
We'll pull it. It's all good.
Okay.
Okay, peel off the parchment gently.
Okay. Now we are underneath this side a little bit. Should I take it? Should I bring it out?
You're doing great how you're doing it. Well done.
Ooh, okay.
Put that to the side. Gently cover it in cocoa so it doesn't stick to the towel. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and set that on there. Now we're gonna fold this over.
Fold this over, okay.
And then start gently rolling it up just like a towel.
And then do I just keep going?
Yep.
Okay.
And don't squish it, but go ahead and roll it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay.
Beautiful. How was that for you?
That was intense. Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It was really fun. But I just, that motion of getting it onto the towel is just such an interesting thing.
It really is.
Yeah, because you're not quite sure how to put your hands on the pan, and it's slipping out of the pan, which we didn't want it to stick, so that's good. Yeah, very interesting, really intense.
The interesting thing is, like a normal cake, you could pick it up from the parchment.
Yeah.
But you want that non-covered side on the bottom, and then to take off the parchment, so it's a little tricky.
Yeah.
I think you did so well.
Oh, thank you.
And it's gonna turn out great.
I'm excited to see it.
Yay!
So, cool.
Okay, we'll set this to the side, and we'll see you when it's cool.
See you in a few.
Yay! And we're back. The cake is cooled, and now it's time to assemble. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Do you feel recovered?
So recovered.
Awesome. Okay, go ahead and unwrap your burrito.
Okay, unwrap my burrito. Oh,
You're doing good. You're doing good. Gentle.
Kate.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's cracking.
It's cracking less than mine.
Oh my gosh.
It didn't crack all the way through, dude. That's good. That's really good. Okay, and then just pull that out.
Oh no, I think I broke it.
No, you didn't.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so good.
This looks good?
It looks great. So none of these cracks that have formed have gone all the way through. It's still connected up on the opposite end.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we gonna fill your birthday cake with?
Magic whipped cream.
Yes. Yes. And the recipe for that is in the description.
Oh, I'm nervous.
You're gonna do great.
Okay.
So what I would do is dollop a generous amount onto here, and then we'll spread it out. Great. I would add more whipped cream. Just knowing you and knowing your ratio preference.
My ratio. Yes, yes. It's good to have somebody who knows your ratio. Yeah.
Now let's do our berry compote. Alrighty. Do you want me to get it started for you, or do you want to just go for it?
I feel like I have to just go for it.
Good. Good.
I don't know if it's rolling.
You're doing great. Good. Good. Awesome.
Are we rolling it on there?
I don't know.
What?
Wait. I panicked.
Oh no, Kate.
Okay. It might be a little overfilled, but it's still gonna be super delicious.
Yeah. We need another one from the other side.
Okay. Fold that so it doesn't fly everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. push this over here. Good. And then we're gonna lift and place. Ready?
Oh, okay. Lift and place.
Woo!
Oh, no, we gotta, okay. Well, okay.
Look at that side. It's supposed to look like a log.
Yeah, I'm getting more burrito vibes. Like, you asked for too much at Chipotle.
It's like a manly burrito.
Yeah.
Like, okay, we're gonna add some powdered sugar.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
I think it looks fantastic.
Great.
Let's grab a couple pictures and then we'll slice into it.
Okay.
Awesome.
It's got a huge crack on this side.
That's okay. Less cracks than when I did it. Not as tight of a roll, but
Yeah.
more filling.
Your roll definitely looked much better.
You're very kind.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be so good.
I'm excited to try it.
Okay, let's do it. Thank you.
Ready? That's good.
Yeah.
That's really good. This cake is fantastic. Thank you
Oh.
so much. I absolutely love it.
Thank you so much. I had so much fun with you.
Thank you for teaching me.
Of course.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for joining us. We had so much fun. If you'd like to continue baking with us, click here. If you'd like to watch another video, click here. And we can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, wait, before you go, let us know what you want us to bake next. Drop it in the comments.
Yes.
And your lucky comment may be what we make next.
Woohoo.
Yeah. All right, see you later.
Bye.